Hey guys, it's Kilo, and one of my most popular videos, if not probably the most popular video on my channel, was a video where I show you how to decode, remove, and recombinate this specific master padlock. This is something that's left on doors all across America from realtors that forget that they left it on there. They say they're going to come back and they never do. And homeowners end up just removing the knob and replacing it. You don't have to do that. If it's a nice knob and you rekeyed it or you want to rekey it and you just want to get rid of this thing, I'm going to show you guys how to remove it an easier way on most locks. This method does not work on all of them, but on a variety of locks, this method I'm going to show you will work. All you need is a paper clip. So what you're going to do is look around, and I'm going to turn this so you guys can see it. Let's make sure it's clear for the camera. You're going to look around the knob for this hole right here. Now on Defiance, it's usually on the left or right. Sometimes depending on how this thing was thrown together, the hole could be up, here or on the bottom or off center. Just look around, and it doesn't always look like this one. On some Brinks, when I come across those, the hole's even bigger. On Schlage, it looks more like a line. So as long as you see that, you're good. This method does not work on the old quickset style knobs. It only works if you see that detent. So what you want to do first is make sure that the knob is unlocked. This won't work if the knob is locked. You'll be pressing that and nothing will happen. So what you're going to do is take your paper clip and just extend it up like that. Then you're going to press it into and press in that detent, just like so. And the knob will slide right off. The lock comes off just like that. All you got to do is line up, make sure the keyway's up and down, slide it on, press it in, and you're good to go. So this works, like I said, on a variety of them. Some notes I will say is if you're dealing with a Schlage lock, some of the knobs you have to have the key, or at least the keyway. So if you know how to pick locks, you got to make sure that you turn the key, a quarter turn. So this would be, left and right instead of up and down. And then you can press the detent. So if it's not working, if you unlock it, some locks are like that. Always try that. And like I said, on some of the old quick sets, this method won't work. You gotta find that detent. One other thing I will say is on this one, you can see the detent inside. It's the shiny silver piece. Some locks you'll get to, you won't see that until you turn the knob, and you just keep turning it until you see that shiny little detent in there. So if you're pressing, sometimes they don't line up just like this. That is something I will tell you guys to look for. If you don't see it or it's not shiny, it's not working, just keep turning until you see something. As soon as you see that, you're good to go. Yeah, I just wanted to answer that question. Like I said, some of my viewers, they can't quite get down into a position to decode it with the soda can method, or they just don't want to keep it. You don't have to remove the knob and throw it out. You could just use this method. I get to customers all the time where they've removed like the Defiant knobs, and this is sitting there in their living room with the lock still on it, and they bought a whole nother knob to have me match up their key or whatever it is, when they could have just removed it and kept their old knob and saved themselves, $20 or whatever. So hopefully this video helps you guys. I am working on more how-to videos and more Locksmith 101s. Just gotten pretty busy with work, but I am getting back into a rhythm where I have more time to edit and film these videos. Thank you guys for watching. As always, I noticed there was a good chunk of new subscribers that came in, so I want to say thank you to all of you guys that found the channel and have helped support it. If you're new and this video helped, feel free to like and subscribe. It helps out the channel. And like always, I hope you guys are staying safe and I hope you have a nice day.